We are currently in the 1-bedroom executive suite and it is absolutely divine. You walk in, straight away, you just are blown away. You have another massive kitchen with lovely countertops that you can make your own meals if you want to. Right behind me over here, once again, you have another dining room table where you can sit either with friends or family while you're staying here. A TV, you have the seating area, some more great artwork. I love this different look of the light. It really brings the place together. A beautifully soft carpet. Behind me we have the balcony, and then if you follow me this way, we'll make our way onto the bathroom and the main bedroom. The bedroom is really big. So if we enter in here, you'll see the bathroom. The bathroom's absolutely lovely. Granite ceiling, 2-floor. You got the rain shower, and it's just all the touches are beautiful. The sink is done really nicely, and then even the pictures that they have on the wall. And then we make our way into this, and this is the bedroom. Little seating area, got the couch there, got the cupboard. We have another really massive double bed that you can sleep on. Got the aircon that'll keep you so nice and fresh during the night. You have your TV, and then behind you we have another outside area. This is the 2-bedroom apartment, but I must say this feels like you just walk straight into your home. So let's come with me and I'll show you what to expect. We're just talking, and this is what their aim was. Their aim was to come to a place that doesn't feel like you're moving into a hotel. You're not staying at a hotel. You come here with your friends, you come with your family, and it's almost like you move straight into your home. So you can see they have a lovely seating area as you walk in. Then they have another even bigger area with the aircon, with the light, with this beautiful artwork on the wall. And then you even have some views and balconies where the fresh air comes, the air flows. It is amazing. We make our way around here. You have another table where you can sit and eat at. And who would think this is a hotel? This isn't an apartment block. This isn't a house. This is inside a hotel, which makes it so much more special. You got your sink, you got your microwave, your fridges, your ovens, absolutely everything. Your little tea and coffee bar. And now let's make our way to the 2 bedrooms. The 2 bedrooms are absolutely massive, and I think this is the one thing that Wonderworld, this is one thing that is so incredible, is how big they make the properties and how big they make the rooms. Because a lot of the places when you're coming to an expensive area like this is in the heart of cantonments. If anyone knows Accra, Ghana, this is a very expensive area. And look what you're getting. You are getting these absolutely massive properties, lots of natural light, and this even has an ensuite bathroom. So it is just absolutely incredible. The ensuite bathroom in here, everything is granite, everything is really high quality finished, and then it also has a rain shower to top it off. But if we make our way now to the next bedroom, this is the 2nd bedroom. You have a bathroom right in there, and we make our way in here. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it's all the wall. They have this very rough texture, which is so nice, and it's very glittery, and it sparkles from all different angles when light hits it. All the rooms have their own TVs, so if you wanted some space from your family, you can just lie, relax on your bed while enjoying the TV, while hearing the scenery that is around you. And this is a 2-bedroom apartment inside a hotel. It feels like a home. I don't think you guys and girls are quite ready for the presidential suite tour. When I was told this room's going to be bigger, this room's even better than the one we just watched and just looked at, I was like, really? How much bigger can it get? Let me tell you, it can get a lot bigger. As you walk in, you have your guest toilet on the right. You come, and it is just the biggest open flowing area that I've possibly seen in any hotel. It is absolutely incredible. You can fit all your family and friends in here. You've got another massive, if you know from the number 1 of Oxford Street and the other residences and hotels, they have these massive TVs which are inside the mirror, so it really doesn't distract from the room, and it makes it more of a centerpiece than a distraction, which is absolutely incredible. You have your own private balcony outside, which is really great. You've got beautiful wallpapers. You have some iconic figures on the wall, and there's just so much natural light. You want some dinner? Come and sit with your family at the table. Come and sit with your work colleagues. Come and sit with your friend. You got another sitting area, coffee bar that you can use for 100 million different things. Even if you just want to eat some breakfast in the morning, this is a place to do. I really love islands and kitchens because I just think they bring the place together. When friends and family are over, this is where everyone is. Everyone's going to be sitting around here, standing around here, eating, and I just love it. So much open area. You've got another massive balcony here, lots of natural light coming in. You have the hob, you have the cooker, you have all this amazing space. Another door, you can go out that way. But now let me take you to the bedrooms, because the master bedroom, the master bathroom, if you were amazed by this, you're not quite ready for what you're going to see. So as you come in, you make your way back down the passage. We will make our way into the first bedroom. The first bedroom is absolutely stunning. It's really cozy, got beautiful wallpaper, got this transparent type mirror, you got your aircon at top, and you got some more natural light that is just going to absolutely stream into the place. Then we make our way into the bathroom. All your amenities you can think of, your basin, your soap, this absolutely lovely light with all the illumination around the mirror that it makes you look so nice in here. Some more rain showers. Rain showers are the most amazing things, especially when you're hot and sweaty from being outside, you're at the pool, a long day at work, if you're staying here for a long-term period of time, rain showers are the best. Now we'll make our way into the second room, same configuration. We have our bathroom. As soon as we enter, on the left-hand side, another rain shower. Can't go wrong with rain showers. Really massive, granite everywhere, top to bottom. I love it. It's just almost like a pinky, smoky salmon color, and it just really looks amazing. Then we'll go a little bit further. The wallpaper, I love through all the residences by Wonderworld. The wallpaper is never just straight paint or straight anything. It's all this with this beautiful texture, beautiful feeling. And then you have this other incredible room where you can sit, you can open it up, get fresh air in, and a really massive shower. Now, saving the best for last, you are correct. We did do that indeed. We are going to take you guys and show you onto the main bedroom. I'm just trying to quickly decide in my head, should I show you the bedroom first and then the bathroom and just keep you waiting a little bit longer? I think that's what I'm going to do. We come a little bit further, we enter into the main bedroom. The main bedroom is really massive, different wallpaper, absolutely beautiful. It feels so nice. Another private balcony. Your private balcony goes around this whole place. It is absolutely beautiful. So much space. The flooring, some more granite on the floor. But now the main attraction is the walk-in closet that you walk in on your way to coming into this bedroom. You have your safe on the side, places to hang up things, and then your walk-in closet. You've got ample space for all your clothing, all your prints, all your dresses, all your coats, all your suits, everything, shoes, your gowns. And now you take a walk into this bathroom. I wonder if I could just, throw on a bathing suit, jump in the bath, because that bath looks so inviting. Open it up, get a beautiful skyline view of Cantonment, and it is absolutely amazing. And this is the first place I've ever seen that they include the shower in the same area. So it is really good use of space, and it makes it look amazing that your shower and your bathroom, your bathtub are enclosed in the same area, what I absolutely love. Massive sink, massive glow-up mirror, and absolutely incredible. Talking about having a presidential suite, you want a lot of space, you want a big balcony, but I don't think you quite realize when I said this place is surrounded by your own balcony, I don't think you realize. It is absolutely massive. So that was the one side. We made our way around the whole side of it. This is still your balcony. Still rooms lead out onto it. Carry on walking. Still more balcony. You got your sky bar up top that we'll have a look at now. And then you have your sitting area. You can come outside here, have a drink, sit down, do some work, listen, absorb the atmosphere, absorb the vibe, and then you can also just sit here and just suck up and just admire everything that Accra and everything that Ghana has to offer, with a nice street, not too busy, but just hearing the cars, hearing the sounds, getting the smell, getting the heat in. It is absolutely beautiful. pretty late at night right now, so it is a little bit dark, but it is absolutely gorgeous, the pool area. You come out, you walk down these stairs into almost a secluded little bungalow at the bottom there, where you got a swimming pool. It looks about at least 15-20 meters long. You have chairs and tables if you want to just lie, relax, get some cocktails. They have some really unusual umbrellas that is just emphasizes everything that Africa has to offer. So let's keep on changing the narrative of Africa. Thank you all much for the support. Smash that subscribe button so we can grow together, get better together, and improve little by little every single day while spreading Africa and while spreading Ghana. Absolutely none of this would have been possible, being able to showcase these amazing hotels, be able to showcase all of the beauty that Accra has to offer, that Ghana has to offer, and to really show that if you're coming for either a short time, you're coming for a long time, if you're coming for a holiday, business trip, that these are the type of places you have to stay at. They are in the actual community. They're not on the outskirts and it feels like you're superimposed. Everything here, you feel you're part of the community, and it is just an absolutely incredible place. All the hotels we've seen are being, thank you so much, Emmanuel. And over to you, whatever you want to say. And just
okay, I must say I'm honored having you around and giving us the opportunity to showcase properties. So basically, we've been around for some time now, but it looks like a lot of people do not know us.
Yeah.
But this is also another avenue to showcase properties to Ghana and then across the world as a whole. So Belfast Africa happens to be the anchor to manage these three properties. That is Qualis, Bel-Air Crest, and then number 1 Oxford Street Hotel.
Okay.
So we actually give stunning services, mind-blowing services.
Yeah,
you've seen it yourself. Because
pictures do not and videos do not do it justice.
Yes.
You have to physically come and experience it.
Yes.
The feeling
Exactly.
you cannot put into
so
words.
our properties are actually a home.
Absolutely.
So we give services that are beyond hotel services.
Absolutely.
So you check in, you can have access to cook your own food or still order from our restaurant. So this makes us different from the indigenous hotel.
Yes.
So we are top.
More
than the 5-star hotels you are seeing out there. So I think those of you out there who are looking forward to visit Ghana, number 1 Oxford Street Hotel Suites as one place you should look forward to.
Definitely.
And also maybe probably look or pass through Bel-Air Crest Residence, which is located at Cantonment, and also the Qualis Residence located at the airport residential area. You can also contact us on WhatsApp. You can also contact our Instagram handles and then Facebook handles as well. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Absolutely. We were just talking about it, the feel. You can see it and be blown away by the pictures, you can be blown away by the videos, but when you actually come and you experience it, it is like no other. You have to come. You got to come visit, you got to come to Ghana, and you have to stay at these locations. Absolutely. Thank you all so much.
Thank you.